Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the...
Hello there, and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Daphne. Thank you so much for joining me today. We're going to get started right where we left off in our last video, which was sprucing up our fairway strip right outside of our sidewalk and as it meets the road. That little section is called a fairway strip. And in this little section, mine is completely covered in weeds. So I asked you guys for your opinion in the last video. Thank you so much for all of the feedback that I received on the 4 options. I also placed a post on the community tab, and I also received a bunch of votes over there as well. So thank you so much. Now, while I liked all 4 options, I wanted to just start out with an option that didn't cost anything, which was transplanting some of the hosta that I already have on the side path and also in my backyard out here to the fairway strip. Because this is a public area and a lot of my neighbors have dogs, they walk them, and we all know dogs take their little potty breaks along the way. So I just wanted to see how my neighbors' dogs would respond to me planting up this area. So I decided not to go out and spend some money on the plants, to just put the hosta here first and see how they're doing. And I have to say, it's been about a week and they are thriving. I am thinking about adding perhaps in option 1, which had the snow in summer white flowers. I'm thinking of doing that as a ground cover. So now that we have the area nice and clean, I'm scouting around to see which of the hosta is the easiest to be able to take out. And after 2 attempts, on my 3rd attempt, I actually found an area that isn't rooted in too hard, that actually is really easy for me to just take the whole plant out, divide it, and transplant it to the front. So while I'm working here, I'm giving you sneak peeks as to what I'm going to be doing next, which is going to be tackling this portion of the walkway. So it might be in my next video or the video following that, so be on the lookout for it. So I just want to thank you guys for always coming back and supporting me. So if you are a returning subscriber, or this is the first time that you're hearing my voice and you like my vibe, leave me a plant emoji down in the comment section. It really helps the videos get pushed out to new viewers that like this type of content. So if you want to leave a more lengthy comment, you can introduce yourself, let me know your name and where you're viewing from and what you like about today's video. So I just wanted to wish all of the dads out there a happy Father's Day. I hope that you're having a wonderful, restful, peaceful day, enjoying it with your friends and family and your children, and just, being appreciated as the dad that you are, for everything that you do for your children, your spouse, your family. Just enjoy your day. So I love the way that the hostas green deep color is popping off of the black rubber mulch. It's absolutely beautiful. So since we're in the front, we are going to be focusing in on the slope rock bed that we have here on the right hand side of my walkway stairs leading up. It needs to have some attention. The summer blooms have fizzled out, so we want to cut back the flowers. We want to cut back the greenery and also the spent blooms. We also have a lot of muscari that comes up during the spring, which is a beautiful purple bloom. And all of the spent blooms dry out and they're sprinkled throughout the bed. So I'm just taking the time to remove all of that. And any weeds that might have crept into the area, we're just going to take all of that out. When I got finished with this project, my landscaping bag was almost full. So there was a lot of spent blooms, dried stalks, and also weeds. So it really felt so nice to have this all fresh and cleaned out. Now, we also took a trip to Home Depot and we picked up some beautiful, they're called Mexican black pathway stones, and they're so beautiful. They're high polished black and they are going to look so nice here at the bottom edge. One of you guys had suggested that instead of me fighting with gravity and putting mulch down, that I should just go in with some stone. And once I read that comment, I was like, yes, I definitely will be doing that. I'll be trying it. So I'm taking the opportunity today to just, take all the mulch out after I finish weeding, and we're going to go in with that beautiful stone. So if you're the one that left that comment, remind me in the comment section, because I did try to go back to it. I'm not sure which video it was that you had left the comment on, but I kept it in my pocket. And today we're going to be definitely adding in those stones. So thank you so much. So I just wanted to show you guys how the snow in summer looks in full bloom in the springtime. It is beautiful. It's a beautiful option for right here creeping over the side of the rock wall. So if you're looking for something that is beautiful, that is striking, definitely check out snow in summer. So while I was at Home Depot, these particular rocks that I absolutely loved, all of the bags were open. So I went over to the customer service counter and I was able to get all of these bags for 50% off. So originally they were about $12 and I got them for $6 each. So my bill was only, I think, $32 because I did get 5 bags. We used 4 of those bags on this side, and then on the other side, which I'll do probably in another video or off camera, I will be doing that side as well. But I usually like to focus in on this flower bed first and make my design choices and then duplicate it on the other side. So we're just cleaning up all of the mulch, and then I'm going to go in and show you guys how it turned out. I love the way that the black just pops off of the lighter gray. So since we're still in the front, I'm going to take you down this pathway, which we did in a previous video. It's going to be linked in the description if you'd like to check out the makeover that we did over here. So last year we added in those cat mints in the back, and they are absolutely beautiful. I've been sharing them on my community posts. I am in love with them. The pollinators love them. So what I wanted to do was continue the 3 that we have towards the back of the path a little closer so that it meets you as soon as you step on the pathway. So we picked up 2, I think these are quart size plants. They're proven winners. They're cat's pajama, cat's mint, and they match up pretty well with the cat mint that we put in last year. The plants that we put in last year, I think, were probably about twice the size of this, but these plants grow so quickly, so they will catch up very fast. So we're just going to dig out a hole. We put in plant tone, which is an organic fertilizer that we use from Espoma, and we're just going to tease the roots just a little because they actually looked really nicely. And then we're just going to pop them in the hole, cover them back up, and we're going to water them in. And this is how they look today. They look absolutely beautiful. They're settling in and they are going to start thriving in this spot, just like the ones from last year. So I'm just going to give you some close-up images. We're still letting some of the daffodil foliage still die back on the right hand side. We're just going to clean that up pretty soon. I was just letting it soak up all of the beautiful sun, especially because it's covered up by the hosta. So we just wanted to just leave it there for a little bit. We're going to be closing out today's video, just cleaning up the back patio. This was some footage that I had filmed right before I did my last video, which was a little sit down of just going through different decorating projects that we have done over time. So if you guys haven't watched that video, I'm going to be linking that. I'm just going to link the whole playlist down in the description so that you can check out any videos that you might be interested in. At the end of this video, I'm just going to be showing how the patio makeover turned out, and then also the side bed where we painted over the beautiful bistro set over there. So again, you can check out, all of the videos in the playlist. I do really enjoy seeing your comments on older videos as well as new ones. Just lets me know that, you're enjoying my content and that you're looking back to see what I've been doing over the full time of the channel. So thank you so much for that. So until the next time, I want to wish you an amazing week, an amazing day. I hope that you're enjoying Father's Day, and looking forward to an amazing week. Until the next time that I see you, which will be next Sunday, have a blessed day.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.